Good morning, everyone. I had to climb that bastard hill again. I'm off to Mount Etna today. I'm catching a bus in 25 minutes. So stay tuned for the pictures and videos and stuff. Etna is right over there in the distance. Have a lovely day, everyone.
2 milioni di abitanti e quello che è interessante è che il 52% degli abitanti siciliani sono donne. Oggi attraversiamo the soil of Etna is rich of mineral salts, so there are trees, everything is green.
Southeast crater. You see the smoke coming out from from this crater, and on the right side you can observe the northeast crater that is not active by now. There are other two craters in the other side we cannot see from this position. There are the Vulcano and the Voragine. The one that you observe online the activity. Here is an example of what happens on the Etna after eruption. So after eruption you have the lava flow out, destroy everything, over all the kind of plants and whatever. After 20 years from the eruption nothing happens, but from the 20 years you start to see spots like that coming out. You'll see it, you recognize because it's a very particular kind of shape. It's a very round one, okay? Because this plant it has a very important role on Etna. It's an endemic form of plant. It's called Astragalus etnensis. Why it's so important? The reason is that it creates an environment to other plants to grow. Because this plant starts to grow as a first form of plant because it has a very good skill in catch and retain the humidity. Ok, perfetto. Va bene, va bene. Okay, this is the fracture of 2002. So you see,
eruption did not start up there. It started down here. That's where the lava come from, I think 2002. That's what he was saying.
Because the silicium inside the lava is very, very high in concentration. Then you can observe other colors like red. Red is due to the presence of iron. If the iron inside the lava is very high, then it oxidates later and it creates this particular red color.